I just gotta let you know, God is the best thing that's ever fucking happened to me. And I'll tell you why. It's because people aren't shit, and they really get on my motherfucking nerves, for real. Like, people, they will try to get the best of you, and I just feel like God, He puts me in certain situations because He wants to challenge me. And I have a hard time remembering to ask Him, or I'm sorry, I have a hard time remembering to thank Him for those challenges, because although they may feel like they're beating me down, it's like a coach. You ever seen a coach train his greatest football player? I'm talking about the quarterback guy, or even if it's fucking basketball, he's going to make sure he's strong. He's going to make sure he can guard. Do you follow me? Okay, He's not going to pay no attention to no fucking weakling. And I'm dealing with some weaklings, all right? If you're wondering if you're a weakling, if you've got an axe, probably, all right? And you need to pray. I tell you that all the time. Stay prayed up. It's a beautiful day. I don't give a damn if it's raining where you're at, you had an earthquake, and you're cleaning up the destruction. Know in your heart and your soul that God loves you. You are one of His chosen. Hey, I'm preaching to myself. Nobody watches these videos right now, so I do these because it's mostly me that needs to hear them. Like, literally. It's mostly me. I deal with bullshit on top of bullshit on top of bullshit, and I be wanting to knock one of these motherfuckers out. That's what inspired me to even be Pastor Roy, was knowing I could change some shit. I want you to be in control of your life. Don't let anybody make you feel like they're in control, because people will try. I'm about to walk into a house full of fucking idiots at this very moment. So pray for me. I'll pray for you. Let's keep each other uplifted, all right? It's Pastor Roy Croy here. I love you. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Knock a motherfucker out if you got to. I'm just kidding. Pray about it first. Bye.